In this video, I'll show you how to get a refund from Peacock. Step 1. Understand Peacock's refund policy. Peacock generally does not provide refunds or credits for subscriptions once billed. Refunds may be granted at Peacock's sole discretion or as required by law. Step 2. Review your subscription and billing details. Log into your Peacock account and check plans and payments for billing history and subscription status. Step 3. Contact Peacock customer support. Reach out to Peacock customer support via their help center or official contact email to request a refund or explain your issue. Step 4. Provide necessary information. Be ready to provide your account details, payment method information, and reason for a refund request. Step 5. Follow up and wait for a resolution. Allow Peacock support some time to process your request. Follow up if you don't receive a response within a reasonable time frame, let's say 30 days. Now some tips for recharging your Peacock refunds. Cancel subscriptions before the next billing cycle to avoid charges. Keep records of cancellations and support communications, and refund policies may vary if the purchase was through third parties. These can be Apple, Google, Roku, but also through Amazon. And that's how you get a refund from Peacock. It will be pretty hard, but I think you can do it. If you found this video helpful, subscribe.